Hi, this How to 1 Minute will show you how to change astrological signs on Snapchat. So as you can see right now I'm on my Snapchat app and going to my profile. And here as you can see currently my Snapchat astrological sign is Aquarius. Now I'll show you how to easily change the sign. And the steps will be similar for Androids and iPhones. First of all, come to your Snapchat profile page and now tap on this gear icon. And we have to change our birthday to change signs. So tap on birthday and change your birthday. Tap on continue. Okay. And going back to my profile, reloading my profile. Okay, sorry. I have to change my birth date and month also. Okay, and as you can see I've successfully changed my astrological sign. Currently my sign is Capricorn. So this is how we can easily change our Snapchat astrological sign. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.